Now, what we can say that active vehicle safety system for save life. So today we discuss what are the safety function which is essential for the controlling or safety of the automobiles. So we are on the frontier of the revolution in active safety vehicles. So the technology to improve the vehicle stability and reduce crashes in here today. So what happened in India? What happened in India कि जो भी आपकी सेफ्टी है, ठीक है ना, मैक्सिमम जो सिक्योर कार्स हैं उसमें क्या होता है कि हम एयर बैग्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो एयर बैग्स दे प्रोटेक्ट द पैसेंजर और ड्राइवर फ्रॉम द फ्रंट थ्रस्ट, मीन सामने से जो थ्रस्ट आता है इन फ्रॉम फ्रंट थ्रस्ट, सामने से जो थ्रस्ट आता है उससे वो प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. व्हाट अबाउट द साइड थ्रस्ट? ओके, मीन्स अगर एक्सीडेंट साइड से होता है देन देयर इज नो सेफ्टी थिंग्स इन द नॉर्मल कार्स. And if we increase the range like 25 lakh to 30 lakh, then we get fully secure vehicle, means airbag, means safety from the front accident and side accident also include there. But what about the car with the range of with the range of 10 to 20 lakh? Okay, so because so many sensor is there, so many sensor is included in today vehicles. So what happened? Electronic stability must be there, and electronic control system save the life, money according to the latest traffic study. Okay, here is Continental is the actively educated key stockholder on the critical active safety technology. So these are the Continental who provide the driving intelligence here. Now see, engineers challenge to make safer SUV because the maximum is, if we compare to normal car or in SUV, so the accidental case is more in the SUV. Okay, so these are the paper cutting for the car safety expert push for the new device. Export utility safety is cradle hearing topics. Okay, so these paper cuttings is involve the why the vehicle safety is necessary. Now, crush cost American 230 billions. Whatever the crush cost America 230 billion, means the accidental case where the vehicle is crushed out. So this is the 230 billion in 1 year. So think how much this amount. This is about the 2002 only. Nearby 3 million injuries and 42,815 fatalities. And 2,53,000 passenger vehicle rollers. So see, injury deadlines, but facility is increasing, highest number of facilities since 1990. Rollover accounted for the 82% of injuries in fatalities. 95% of all cases due to at least in part to driver error. So see here, what is the percentage here? 95% cases or 95% accident done by only the driver errors. Means there is some error or some mistake by the driver, so accident will be occur. 95%. So we can say that driver is much responsible. Driver is much responsible for the accident. Means if other passenger is doing some mistake, that is not much effect on the accident, but what happened, if driver make any mistake, then there will be more chances for the accident, more chances for the accident. So the major vehicle safety equipment exists now to help reduce crashes and rollovers. It's called electronic stability control, ESC, electronic stability control. Okay, so we can say that these are the provide the safety. Means what happened, accident crashes is there, when straight accident is there, and rollover means your vehicle is roll over on the road. Okay, so better stability condition is electronic stability control. Now technology is our passion, but safety is our business. Technology is our passion, but safety is our business. So what happened? What is the meaning of this proverb? Okay, safety is our business. Is business word? It doesn't mean here a business. Okay, it means purity. Means it is our purity to save the human, and be much like be passionate about the technology. What are the new technology coming in the automobile sector? So we have to know the what is the circumference and what is the advantage, disadvantage. This technology is come, and now so many technology added in the car. Car like is our next home, our second home. All things is include. We can watch the movie, we can watch the cricket in the car. Also we can sleep in the car, we have some meetings in the car. So many things attached in the car. So we can doesn't say word, the car is our second home. So now, this is our rollover condition. This is our rollover. This is called rollover. Okay. Electronic stability control improves safety. We have to safety technology today to make mobility safer. We have to safety technology today to make mobility safer. Okay. So this technology make your tour and travel safer than comparison to conventional safety features. Comparison to conventional safety features. Now, so what we can say, make the chassis itself electronically intelligent, rise comfort and safety to new levels without sacrifices. Okay, so they can, this technology make the chassis electronically intelligent, means we have fitted they have fitted the intelligence on the chassis too. Passive safety in the job there. Okay, the next frontier in the prevent the crashes for the occurring in the first place. See, the the key is prevent the crashes from the occurring in the first place. This is active safety, means the key to prevent crash occurring from the first place, means from the front. This is active safety, means this safety we can see. Okay, what are the safety equipments installed in the cars and how we can use them. Now, opportunity in smart safety system. The key is prevent the crashes from the occurring in the first place, from the first place. Avoid the problem situation. This is the first phase. Avoid the problem situation. And how we avoid the problem situation, means what happened, we, before starting the our journey, or we want to plan something, where we want to go, first plan your vehicle. Is your vehicle is ready for that? Precautionally, you check all the safety measurements of this vehicle, which is work properly or not. So we need to avoid the problem situation. So maximum possibility to check all the things, braking system work properly or not, all the safety equipments installed in the car or not, air check in the tire, and all the things we have to check when we prepare for the long journey trip by our car. So this is avoidation of the problem situation. We have to avoid them. Phase 2, maintain control in trouble begins. Okay, what happened? This is initial case. Avoid the problem situation. Means we just check all the safety equipments in the car, install or not, air pressure will check, brake system will check. But what happened? Maintain control in travel begins. We don't know the what is the present condition of the road, what is the future condition of weather. Okay, so these are the unwanted condition comes during the journey, we don't know. Okay, so what happened? Maintain control if trouble is begin during the journey. During the journey, what happened if road condition is not proper, some cracks, more barriers occur in your uh, road journey, then what happened, what you can do? First, maintain control. Don't lose your control in the bad situation. If bad situation is occur, okay, what happened? More rains is occur during the journey. Then what you can do? So first things, when problem is occur in the journey, then what happen? You have to make patience and don't lose your control. Third, protection when the crush is available. So your safety device is already installed, you already checked, then what happened? Protection when the crush is unavoidable means what happened? We all the safety we see, but unfortunately accident is happened. Then what happened? Then your safety is occur and you're safe in life. Okay. So what happened? Like our present situation, COVID situation is there. Okay. सो कोविड सिचुएशन में अभी आप लोग सब लोग मना कर रहे हैं ना कि बाहर नहीं जाने का, ठीक है, हमको सेफ्टी रखनी है, बाहर नहीं जाना है, व्हाट आर दी सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस वी हैव, और हमको कोरोना से डरना भी चाहिए, वी हैव टू केयर अबाउट दैट। लेकिन अगर आप इन्फेक्टेड हो जाते हैं कोरोना से, देन व्हाट हैपेंड? तब तो आपको फाइट करना पड़ेगा। अगर आप इन्फेक्टेड हो गए, देन यू डोंट नीड टू फियर, यू हैव टू फाइट। ऑलवेज मेक पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट। ठीक है, एक जैसे आपको नॉर्मल फीवर होता है या कफ वगैरह होता है, तो आप ट्रीटमेंट्स लेते हैं ना, और ट्रीटमेंट्स पे आप ट्रस्ट करते हैं, हम ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे हैं, हम ठीक हो जाएंगे, दैट्स इट। तो उतना ही आपको करना है इन दैट सिचुएशन। अगर हो गया है, नहीं, हमेशा अवॉइड करिए कि नहीं हो, अगर इफ फिर भी हो जाता है, देन यू हैव टू ट्रीट एज अ नॉर्मल डिसीज, वी हैव टू take the proper guidance from the doctors and take the safety, follow these safety precautions, take the medicine, whatever is there, and we have to normal after treatment. We think like that. ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि अभी कोरोना हो गया है, वी गॉन। नो, positive thinking is much important in this case. So here what happened? First, we think avoid this situation. मीन्स प्रॉब्लम सिचुएशन क्या है, अभी कंपेयर कर लीजिए, कोरोना से कंपेयर कर लीजिए, कोरोना है बाहर, तो हम अवॉइड करेंगे, कैसे भी नहीं हो, बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, घर पे जो है, घर पे एंटरटेनमेंट कर रहे हैं, या फिर घर पे भी जो भी है पढ़ रहे हैं, इंटरनेट से पढ़ रहे हैं, कॉलेज नहीं जा रहे हैं, इंटरनेट पे जितनी चीजें हैं अवॉइड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना। देन मेंटेन कंट्रोल इफ ट्रबल इज विगेन्स। अगर क्या कहते हैं कि ट्रबल विगेन्स का मतलब हो गया कि घर में 5 लोग हैं, एक को कोरोना हो गया है, तो क्या हो गया? ट्रेवल्स आ गया है, प्रॉब्लम घर पे आ गई है। देन वी हैव टू मेक पेशेंस, ठीक है ना। व्हाट एवर दी जो भी सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस है हम उसको दे रहे हैं, तो सेम यही है, आपका ट्रेवल्स आ गया है, रोड कंडीशन बेटर नहीं है, रेनी कंडीशन बहुत ज्यादा है, वाटर इज ड्रॉपेड देयर, देन दैट इज द सिचुएशन, प्रॉब्लम सिचुएशन। अगर हम घबरा गए, वी हैव टू फियर, देन डेफिनेटली एक्सीडेंट इज देयर। लेकिन अगर हम पेशेंस रख रहे हैं और कंट्रोल नहीं खोते हैं, देन maybe we have to avoid that situation and survive. Okay, थर्ड केस, अभी ये केस है कि आपको ही कोरोना हो गया, तो सेफ्टी डिवाइस इज हियर। तो अगर हो गया है तो डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, सेफ्टी डिवाइस है आपका, मेडिसिन है, प्रिकॉशंस है, ठीक है, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग लिखिए, यू आर सेफ इफ यू टेक दी precautions and what are the necessary action required in the situation, then you will safe, you become safe. Okay, so next things, our focus should be in cross avoidance. See, क्या हुआ, लास्ट का फेज इन्होंने गायब किया, थर्ड फेज गायब किया, आवर फोकस ऑन दी क्रॉस अवॉइडेंस, मीन्स हमको ये सोचना ही नहीं कि हमारी गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट होगा, हम पहले से ही व्हीकल्स को इतना सिक्योर करेंगे कि थर्ड फेज आए ही नहीं, आवर फोकस ऑन दी अवॉइडिंग दी क्रश, तो एक्सीडेंट ना हो ये वी हैव टू मेक श्योर. Now see, improve safety through the functional integration. See, springs, electronics, driver is here, steering is here, studs, tire, chassis mounting. Here is the chassis mounting and brakes. These are the our vehicle circumference. So, networking active and passive technology will be improved. See, what happened? Accident preventing system, global chassis control, stability management system, electronic stability program, roll stability control, electronic stability program second, electronic braking system, anti-lock braking system, that is we called ABS, traction control system, brake assistant, hydraulic brake system, brake caliper, brake booster, etc. Active safety system, accident prevention. We always avoid the accident. Okay, means our precautions, our technology to avoid the accident or prevent the accident. See, now, goal, what is our goal? A vehicle that prevent accident and injuries. A vehicle that prevent accident and injuries. So, injury preventing system, intelligent restrictions, electronic restrictions, passive safety. So these are the active safety. See, these are the active safety and these are the passive safety. Active safety avoid the accident and passive safety injury prevention. Okay, so active safety avoid the accident and passive safety provide the resistance about the injuries, means no injuries is there, that is our passive safety. So Continental brings together know how in tire, electronics and brake and chassis. So what happened? This region, this is belongs to set theory. So this region is only for the tire. This region only for the electronic device, and this is for the only for the braking system. But what happened? This area here, this area, this area is common to all three together. Means This is the area where we can, or from where we can control the all three, because these area common to tire and electronics, these area common to electronics to braking system and chassis, these area common to the brake system and tires, but this area is common to all three. Means from here we can fit our control device, control system to observe all three, to observe all three. Full circle. Before the industry need do more. Before, what happened? The industry need to do more on the safety front. What are the industry requirement? Industry requirement, we, the much more safety is given, need टू डू मोर, जितनी आवश्यकता है उससे ज्यादा करिए, डू मोर. ओके, सो जितनी भी सेफ्टी की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, वी पुट फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम देयर टू अवॉइड द एक्सीडेंट. ठीक है, जितनी सेफ्टी लेनी चाहिए, अगर हम उससे ज्यादा सेफ्टी प्रिजर्व करते हैं, देन एक्सीडेंट से हम एक कदम ज्यादा सेफ रहते हैं. Now we need to do more to make our technology better understood and sought after in the new vehicles marketplace. So this is before, but this is now what we need. This is here what we need. We need to do more to make our technology better understood and sought after in the new vehicle marketplace. तो अभी व्हाट हैपेंड कि जिनके पास बाइक है या जिनके पास कार है, ठीक है ना, तो जिनके पास भी कार है और बाइक है, वो क्या है, 10% 15% मैकेनिक वो हो ही जाते हैं, है ना, कि कुछ भी छोटा मोटा प्रॉब्लम हुआ, दे कैन सॉल्व इट सेल्फ. ओके, तो क्या है कि कोई भी चीज हम यूज करते हैं, वॉट एवर थिंग्स वी हैव टू यूज, देन वी हैव टू नीड medium information, not basic information. We have to need medium information about that. We need to do more to make technology better understood. See, understood is there. So we have to understand what technology we can use. So, and we can solve आफ्टर द न्यू व्हीकल मार्केटप्लेस. सो जो भी न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी आई है, अगर हम न्यू बेस जान रहे हैं, देन वी हैव टू नो मोर अबाउट दैट एंड इजिली अंडरस्टैंड द टेक्नोलॉजी इंस्टॉल इन द कार. Our challenges: make consumer more aware of active vehicle safety, develop the public awareness of those possibility to engineer amiss, get them to buy. तो जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी है, वी हैव टू यूज देम. सो this is about the today lecture. We meet again at 3 o'clock.